Hey champions, I greet you. You're welcome to another episode of the training. In this particular video, I'll be talking about how to get products to promote on Stakecut. In the previous videos I uploaded how to create your account on Stakecut, how to set up your account. In case you're looking for a video on how to set up your account on stakecut.com, kindly go through the channel and you will see the video which I have uploaded. So today, I'll be showing you how to get the product you'll be promoting on stakecut.com. How do you copy these products? How do you get people to buy? So I'll be showing you the step by step of how to access stakecut.com marketplace and to get the products you'll be promoting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing is you go to your Google Chrome and type www.stakecut.com. Well, I saved myself that stress. I've already saved this website as an app on my phone. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So now here's my Stakecut here. I just open Stakecut, then I allow it to load. It will load like this. Remember the account we are using. I'm not using my main account. So Fatai makes money at gmail.com. Then our password is affiliate 123. Then sign in. Wait for it to load. Now. So now the page is done loading. Remember what we are doing today is just simple and straightforward. I want to show you how to get products to promote on Stakecut. So after you are logging, you come to this part. These three lines that I just circled here. I hope you can see that. Then you click on it. When you click on that three line, then you go to Marketplace again. So click on Marketplace. Allow it to load. So when you get to Marketplace, this is where you see different products, different courses that you can promote on Stakecut. So now depends on you. When you are starting out, what niche do you want to focus on? So it's not compulsory that you sell a particular course. You are the one that goes through the marketplace and select the products that you think resonates well with you that you can promote. So let's just take a look through this marketplace. You can see countless of products. Now, if you scroll to the left, let's say for example, let's take this particular course, this one here. Let's take it as an example. This is what we are working with. Now, looking at this course, we call it Video Content Workshop. The vendor is Danny Amara. So scroll to the left, you see it's a digital product, and currently this product sells for $10. Wow. Seriously? The last time I checked, this course was selling for $4. That was around 2,400 in Nigerian currency. But now, people that didn't get that time, they have to get it for the $10 now, which is approximately 6,000 naira. Now, for example, if you are promoting this course and you get someone to buy this course using your link, that means you are making a $5 commission. That is just what it means. Okay, I will show you that. The course goes for $10 and your commission on it is 50%. So like I said, that means if someone use your link to buy this product video content workshop, you are making $5. Now take for example this one at the top, this one here, this course sells for $50. That means if someone use your link to buy this product that sells for $50, your commission on just one product is $25. But remember, you are working on this one here, the one of $10. So you click on, once you've seen the product you want to promote, click on this button here. You click on promote, then allow it to load. Now, when you click on that promote, it will bring you to this page. You have the JV page and the product page. The JV page is the page that contains your unique affiliate link. Now, this one here, this is your unique affiliate link. So that means if you are promoting this course, what you just need to do is click on this icon here. I hope you can see that. Once you click on it, it will tell you copied. So what you just need to do now is we're still coming back here. Now remember, I've copied the link. Just minimize this, come to your notebook. You can create a new note, then you can paste this link here. So you have it. So anybody that wants to get this course from you, just come to your notebook, copy this link and send to the person to make payment. So that is that. Now that is for the JV page. It shows you your link, how much this course is selling for, how much commission it's paying you. So now if you now come to product page, it's loading now. Product page is now showing you the in-depth description of this course you are promoting. So that means once you send your link to your prospect to buy, this is the page they will see to make purchase. So you can see it's this one is just basically for anybody that wants to buy this course to read through. The page will contains a lot of testimonial from people that have bought this course and it's worked for them. And if you gingered, you just click on order now, which is this one. Click on order now to make purchase. So most times you can send your link to your prospects and they say they are having difficulty in making payment. I will advise, if they can trust you, they can send this money to your account. You use your own affiliate link to make purchase for them. So at the end of the day, what matters is, are you inputting their email and phone number? They will still get it. So that is just that on how to get the product you'll be promoting on stakecut.com. And I hope that is clear enough, and I will surely see you in my next video. Do have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching from. Till I see you next time, my name is Fatai Oyemi, your expert salesperson. Bye.